Usap tayo sa trabaho mo. Matagal ka na ba sa work? Hindi ko lang alam kung napapansin mo. Yung productivity levels natin sa trabaho, pataas na pataas yan. Softwares, ini-introduce yan para i-monitor tayo. Yung mga data points sa trabaho mo, it's increasing at exponential levels. And this is true to many industries. Engineering, HR, medicine, fast-moving consumer goods, BPO, call centers. Thousands, if not million of moving parts ang kailangan para mag-function yan. Not to mention, may mga guidelines pa na kailangan sundin. Pero isa o dalawang mali lang dyan, it leaves a mark on your report. Ngayon, yung hours na inuubos mo sa commute is already taking one-third of your life just to meet your own commitments to your family and personal life. Office politics. Sometimes it is a dangerous game to play, but it's very necessary for survival. Ngayon, despite na napaka-competitive mo sa trabaho mo, yung outcome pa rin ng salary mo ay parehas pa rin taon-taon. It takes a lot of effort to keep pace with digitalization. Lahat yan, nadaanan na natin. Ikaw at ako. Ngayon ang tanong ko, sa bilis ng takbo ng panahon, kaya pa ba until mag-retire ka to do the same job? What if I tell you that you can have work-life balance? Work at your own pace. Magkaroon ka ng oras para sa pamilya mo. At kung kailangan mo talaga yung trabaho mo, hindi mo kailangan mag-resign. Kailangan lang natin dagdagan. Kasi it's much better to have a fallback kung something happens sa iyong work. That's why I welcome you to Manulife, where in our company, we value your time, commitments, and your dreams. Kausapin kita, manager to manager, business owner to business owner, or kahit bago ka pa lang sa insurance industry, let me guide you. So sali ka na sa akin. Just comment below or message me on my Linktree. Wala itong pilitan at lalong wala kang ilalabas na pera. Kaya tara na, sama ka sa akin.